The amount of water that a lawn needs to receive in a week can vary depending on the height at which the grass is mowed. A lawn that is mowed to 3 centimeters has higher water requirements compared to a lawn that is mowed to 6 centimeters. The species. A lawn with Lolium perenne has higher water requirements than a lawn with Festuca arundinacea. Location. A lawn positioned to the north has more shade than a lawn positioned to the south. Similarly, it needs less water. A clay soil retains water better than a sandy soil. So with a clay soil, we irrigate abundantly but very rarely. On the other hand, with a sandy soil, we will need to adjust the irrigation because it drains water much more efficiently. Let's now see how much water is needed for the lawn. And here there are two completely different things. What matters to us is liters per square meter, not minutes. Once we know the liters per square meter per hour, then we adjust the irrigation system according to the values we have. In general, the lawn should be watered rarely but abundantly, maybe once or twice a week with an amount, let's say, of 7 to 12 liters per watering. If your lawn can withstand just one watering per week, somewhere around 20 liters, that's even better. This works very well for tall fescue, which can extend its roots up to more than 2 meters underground. These are indicative values for an average temperature somewhere between 22 and 27 degrees, from which you can start and then adjust your irrigation system accordingly. But for that, we need to find out how many liters per square meter we provide to the lawn in 1 hour.